Hi friends, Allison Price with the Infused Life here. I have a quick essential oil tip for you on this Monday, January 11th. So a lot of people like to put dropper caps on their essential oil bottles instead of using the reducer cap, which is this white cap. There could be many reasons why. It may be a really thick oil that takes forever to drip out of the bottle, like vetiver or rose or sandalwood. It may be an oil that you're using orally every day. So instead of trying to drip it out of the bottle, it's easier to just have a dropper cap that you can drip. There's all different reasons why you may want a dropper cap on your bottle. I actually have the turmeric in my barn and I drip it into my horse's grain every morning and evening. So no matter what the reason is why you would want to put a dropper cap on your bottle, let me show you how you can easily do it. So number one, take a fingernail or a butter knife and stick it between the reducer cap and the bottle and you will just pull it off. And I've barely got a thumbnail and I can get it off. So you can do it like that. Or when you're unscrewing the cap, you can unscrew it, and as you get it off, you want to get the lip of it, and you'll be able to feel. You can get the lip of it. I know it's hard to see with my hand in the way, but you can get the lip of it to just pull the reducer cap right off for you. And so then once you do that, then you can just stick the dropper cap in, and there you go. Super easy, super simple, and an easier way to distribute your oils. So there is an essential oil tip for you today on this Monday. Stay tuned. I will be back on Wednesday with another DIY Wednesday. And if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see on an upcoming DIY Wednesday, let me know, shoot me a message, or drop it down in the comments below, and I will be sure to make note of that. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one.